If I told you that some of the jobs in the next 10 years don't even exist yet, would you believe it? A lot of the jobs we have right now are either being done with the help of AI or are completely disappearing. But in return, some new high-paying jobs are on the way. If you want to be one of the first people ready for these jobs, stick with me till the end of this video. 1. AI Personality Designer. AI isn't just a tool anymore. Now it's starting to form emotional connections with users. Things like voice assistants, chatbots, or even Metaverse avatars need an identity, behavior, and a unique speaking style. What should you learn for this job? Combining programming with LLM APIs, Python, and behavioral psychology. Writing human-like dialogues. Deep understanding of UX and user-machine interaction. The AI personality needs to feel real, not just respond. 2. AI Ethics Engineer. As AI becomes a part of people's daily lives, the decisions machines make can actually change someone's future. That's where a job like AI Ethics Engineer comes in, to make sure algorithms are fair, transparent, and unbiased. What should you learn? Understanding the basics of AI. Familiarity with digital rights and privacy laws. Data analysis and designing ethical scenarios. Every algorithm we build comes with a human responsibility. 3. XR Engineer. Augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality XR are about to change the game in education, healthcare, travel, and even business meetings. Learn Unity Unreal Engine. Graphic programming languages like JavaScript, C#. User experience design in virtual environments. In the future, software won't just live on screens, it'll be all around us. 4. AI-powered Cyber Threat Analyst. The stronger AI gets, the more hackers start using it too. Jobs like Cyber Threat Analyst in the future will be a mix of network security and AI. What should you know? Network security cryptography. Machine learning to detect suspicious behavior, SIEM tools, and automated pattern analysis. Hackers of the future will have bots, so you better have defensive bots too. 5. Adaptive Learning Architect. Education is changing. It's no longer about everyone learning the same way. Adaptive learning means creating courses that automatically adjust based on each person's speed and learning style. You should learn instructional design, AI tools in education like smart LMS platforms, understanding learner behavior analytics. The future of education is personalization, and you can be the one designing it. If you're waiting for the world to get ready so you can enter the job market, you're making a big mistake. The world is changing insanely fast, and new jobs are popping up, but only the ones who move early will catch them. Which one of these jobs are you interested in? Or do you think there's another future job that might show up soon? Drop it in the comments.